What's something people don't know about the deep ocean? The deep ocean is a vast, hidden world. It covers most of our planet's surface. Yet we know so little about its true nature. It is Earth's final frontier, full of profound mystery. These depths plunge deeper than any mountain is tall. This underwater kingdom is larger than all continents combined. Scientists and explorers are profoundly keen to understand this realm. They send robotic vehicles into the unknown, inky waters. These robots are our brave eyes in the overwhelming dark. They send back fleeting glimpses of truly amazing things. Imagine, if you will, a place where sunlight never, ever shines. This is the reality of the deep sea, a domain of perpetual twilight. Photosynthesis, the vital process that makes food from light, cannot happen here. Therefore, the very foundation of life must be different. There is no familiar cycle of day and night. There is only a constant starlit blackness, but without any stars. This eternal night profoundly shapes all the life found here. Creatures must navigate and survive without sight as we understand it. They have evolved other, quite extraordinary senses instead. For many long years, people widely believed the deep sea was entirely lifeless. The conditions there seemed far too harsh for any living thing. Scientists even called it the azoic zone, a term meaning no life. Early tentative explorations with simple nets brought up very little. This scarcity seemed to confirm their initial bleak ideas. It was quite easy to believe that nothing could possibly survive. The crushing pressure and utter darkness seemed insurmountable. But this early understanding was far from complete and soon to change. With the advent of new and improved technology, our view changed quite dramatically. Brave human explorers and advanced robotic machines ventured deeper than before. To their astonishment, they discovered a world bustling with diverse creatures. These remarkable organisms are uniquely and perfectly adapted to the extreme conditions. Each new dive, each fresh exploration can readily reveal species new to science. The deep sea is not empty or barren as once thought. It is in fact a vibrant and active ecosystem full of wonderful surprises. Life, it seems, always finds a way. The pressure in the deep sea is truly enormous, almost beyond comprehension. It increases greatly the deeper one ventures into the abyss. Imagine the colossal weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on you. That gives some idea of what it feels like down there. This immense, relentless force would instantly crush most animals we know. Even strong metal submarines require specially thickened hulls to withstand it. It is a constant, powerful squeeze from all directions, unceasingly. This is perhaps the primary challenge for any deep-sea life. Surviving this pressure is a biological marvel. Besides the incredible pressure, it is also incredibly and consistently cold. The water temperature hovers just a few degrees above freezing point. This chilling cold naturally slows down almost everything it touches. The metabolism of creatures living here is often remarkably slow. This characteristic helps them to conserve their precious, hard-won energy. Food can be extremely scarce and unpredictable in these dark depths, so a slower, more deliberate pace of life becomes a distinct advantage. The cold is constant, unlike the ever-changing surface temperatures. This profound stability shapes all life, yet within this cold, dark world, there are astonishing oases of warmth and chemicals. These unique formations are called hydrothermal vents, found on the ocean floor. They are like underwater hot springs, gushing mineral-rich water. This water comes from deep beneath the Earth's crust, heated by magma. Here, incredibly, life does not need sunlight at all to survive. Instead, tiny bacteria use the chemicals from the vents for energy. This amazing process is called chemosynthesis, life created from chemicals. Many strange and wonderful animals gather around these vents. This discovery was truly revolutionary for science. Another vital, though less dramatic, food source is widely known as marine snow. This is not real snow, of course, but rather a gentle, continuous rain. It is composed of tiny particles of dead plants and animals. Microscopic bits of waste and the remains of tiny organisms also fall. They drift slowly downwards from the sunlit surface waters far above. For many deep-sea inhabitants, this drifting material is their main reliable meal. They are the ocean's great recyclers, diligently cleaning the water column. This gentle snow sustains a complex, hidden web of life below. Consider for a moment the anglerfish, a true master of hunting in the dark. It possesses what looks like a glowing fishing rod on its head. This light, produced by the fish itself, is called a bioluminescent lure. It dangles this enticing light to attract unsuspecting prey towards it. In the endless pitch-black night, a tiny flickering light is almost irresistible. Small, curious fish and other creatures swim closer to investigate this beacon. Then, with astonishing speed, the anglerfish strikes with its huge mouth. Its long, sharp teeth leave very little chance for escape. There are many different kinds of these clever, patient hunters. Then there are the true giants of the abyss, like the giant squid. This creature is legendary, often depicted as a terrifying sea monster. It is, in fact, one of the largest invertebrates on our planet. We rarely see them alive and active in their deep, dark home. Most of our knowledge comes from specimens found dead or dying. They possess the biggest eyes in the entire animal kingdom, truly enormous orbs. These huge eyes help them to see in the extremely faint ambient light. They're known to engage in titanic battles with mighty sperm whales. Their lives remain largely shrouded in deep mystery. Many, if not most, deep-sea animals create their own light. This remarkable ability is called bioluminescence, a form of living light. It is used in many clever and surprising ways down in the depths. Some creatures use it to attract food, just like the cunning anglerfish. Others will flash their lights suddenly to startle or confuse predators. Light can also be used as a signal to find a suitable mate, or it can function to communicate with others of their own kind. It paints the profound darkness with fleeting, beautiful, and intricate patterns. Creatures of the deep have other equally amazing adaptations too. Many are either black or a deep red color. These colors are effectively invisible in the blue wavelength light of deep water. Their bodies are often soft and quite jelly-like in consistency. This unusual structure helps them to withstand the crushing ambient pressure. Huge mouths are common, helping them swallow any meal they might encounter. Slow, deliberate movements help them to save precious, scarce energy. Extremely sensitive feelers or barbels detect tiny vibrations in the still water. These specialized traits are absolutely vital for their deep-sea survival. The deep sea is incredibly important for the health of our entire planet. It helps to control Earth's climate in a very significant way. The vast ocean absorbs a tremendous amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This gas, as we know, can warm our world if there is too much. When tiny sea plants and animals from the surface die, they slowly sink. They carry their stored carbon down to the deep ocean floor. This carbon then stays trapped there for very long periods, even millennia. This hidden natural process helps to keep our global climate stable. It also plays an absolutely key role in recycling essential nutrients. One might think of it as the ocean's vast, slow digestive system. Nutrients from the decaying matter in the deep are eventually brought back to the surface. This happens through complex ocean currents in a process called upwelling. These recycled nutrients then feed the tiny plants called phytoplankton. Phytoplankton form the very base of the entire marine food web. Without this crucial cycle, life in the sunlit surface waters would struggle greatly. The deep sea underpins and supports all ocean life. Sadly, this remote and seemingly protected world is now under significant threat. Human activities are beginning to cause serious damage, even here. Plastic waste, a modern scourge, is now found even in the deepest trenches. Some commercial companies are keen to mine the deep seabed for minerals. This industrial activity could destroy unique habitats and kill countless unknown creatures. Climate change is also warming the deep waters, albeit slowly. The ocean's delicate chemistry is changing as a consequence as well. These are very serious dangers for fragile deep-sea life. We must, therefore, act decisively to protect these hidden wonders. So much of the deep ocean still remains completely unexplored by humankind. There is a veritable universe of knowledge and discovery waiting for us there. Understanding this mysterious realm is the crucial first step to saving it. By conserving the deep sea, we are, in essence, protecting our planet. Its continued health is inextricably connected to our own future well-being. The future of this mysterious, beautiful world truly depends on our actions today. Let us strive to be wise and careful stewards.